IOHK is kind of a factory for cryptocurrencies and enterprise blockchain technology. So we're both a research company and an engineering company.
Phase 1, an introduction to Cardano. One of the best alternatives you need to follow. Proof of stake algorithm, that's all borrows.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. Cardano approaches a major upgrade that is set to change the smart contract industry forever. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Cardano's merry upgrade and token gains are poised to compete with Ethereum, while the metrics are still suggesting that Ethereum is still the king. But this is only a matter of time before the Karano blockchain takes over. As on February the 3rd, Cardano's development firm IOHK have successfully conducted a hard fork and also applied the Goguen native token upgrade. This is known as the Merry upgrade, Cardano's testnet, which transforms its blockchain into a multi-asset network similar to Ethereum. The IOHK team is expecting to have launched the mainnet by the end of February. The other features of the Goguen update will roll out simultaneously in accordance with the different phases on the Karano roadmap. So in terms of functionality, this upgrade will equate Cardano's native tokens to the ERC20 fungible and ERC-721 non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. So for the first time, users on the Karano blockchain will be able to create their own tokens, be it fungible tokens or non-fungible tokens, hence NFTs. Therefore, in addition to these similarities with the Ethereum blockchain, there are design differences between Cardano's native tokens when compared to Ethereum's tokens. The first major difference following the upgrade is that there will be no execution fees, which are usually charged to a user when interacting with a token smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. These are known as gas fees. The past bull run has witnessed Ethereum and other Ethereum blockchain tokens suffer in extreme high gas fees. This was due to a network congestion, and that was discouraging retail investors from getting involved. Heinrich Pfeiffer, the General Secretary of the Karano Foundation, has discussed just how Cardano's native tokens would differ in this aspect, by stating that native tokens on Karano are forged on-chain with no need for a smart contract, and therefore no execution fees is required to transact these native tokens on Karano. He added further that instead, sending tokens require a nominal fee, and this fee is called the min-ADA value, payable in ADA, and also to be sent alongside the tokens. So you may also bundle multiple native tokens together and send them in one single transaction. This raises the min-ADA value. However, the fee does not depend on network congestion, unlike on Ethereum, or rely on smart contract executions. So not needing smart contracts to forge tokens would lead to other advantages because there would be no room for fraud perpetrators to exploit these smart contracts vulnerabilities, human error, and other risks associated with smart contracts. This is something which Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has warned the entire community against just last year. Pfeiffer further elaborated on how the opportunity to siphon funds through a smart contract exploit is eliminated on the Karano blockchain. User-defined native tokens on Karano uses the same underlying token logic as the Karano blockchain itself. So Karano's scripting language does not have fixed size integration, and the ledger itself tracks down token movement and handles the token logic. James Beck, the Director of Communication and Content at Consensus which is a blockchain technology company backing Ethereum's infrastructure, has told Cointelegraph just how Ethereum is addressing these smart contracts risks by stating that Ethereum has been supporting smart contracts since 2015, yet smart contract development is still a maturing field. So with Ethereum, every single week, bugs and security risks are discovered and added to registries of smart contract securities at best practices. Cardano's growth may be attributed to its sound fundamentals and working principles, that is, processes. Mary Tadbuet, the Chief Marketing Officer at Gate.io, a digital asset trading platform, is now stating that the team led by Charles Hoskinson have taken a research-first approach to solving the various issues plaguing the example, as Cardano's Ouroboros algorithm was the first peer research consensus algorithm in the entire world. Their emphasis on doing the work before launching the product has helped them immensely. So since institutional investors are major catalysts to such markets, Cardano intends to gain more traction with them as compared to other blockchain protocols. Pfeiffer stated that we expect Cardano's value proposition, especially the degree of security and affordability that is guaranteed throughout our native token, and focus on formal methods. This will prove popular amongst institutions and enterprises. Other blockchain protocols have suggested with highly publicized security issues and huge losses of value via smart contract exploits. In turn, this has prompted institutions to take a great deal of caution when exploring these blockchain-based solutions. In addition to the fact that Cardano has been implemented in Haskell, which is a functional programming language that is known for its high liability applications, and this could open up different businesses use cases involving large enterprises and even governments. Pfeiffer further stated that Cardano may stand to capture an altogether different share of the market than Ethereum, and that is national level identity solutions, back-end financial infrastructures, and powerful enterprise use cases. There haven't been any networks that have been able to generate user developers as Ethereum currently boasts of. Several networks have been trying to live up to this expectation for some time now and haven't quite delivered yet. But Cardano is right around the corner from doing this. One important aspect to look at while considering the competition for Ethereum would be the scalability issues that Ethereum 2.0 is now proposing to solve. Move from a proof-of-work protocol to an upgraded proof-of-stake protocol. Cardano's scalability is expected to arrive through Hydra, which would have multiple heads offering high transaction throughputs, which is measured in tractions per second. Each Hydra can potentially process up to 1,000 transactions per second. This is insane. Pfeiffer said that those transactions per second cannot be the only measure of scalability due to Cardano's Hydra heads of structure, since different types of transactions can also take place on the blockchain. Adding that in the future, each Cardano node facilitated by our stake pool operators could run a single Hydra head. Therefore, the transaction per second on the Karano network could scale accordingly with the number of stake pools running a Hydra per head. So currently there are over 1,400 independent stake pools operating on the Karano network. That being said, Ethereum currently has the large developer pool, which is building a widely used applications and interfaces such as MetaMask, Compound, and other protocols. What are your thoughts on Karano taking over Ethereum? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.